Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to change text color in CapCut Mobile. So first thing what you will do is just simply open a project, and now down below you should be able to see the text icon. So just simply tap on that text icon, and from here just simply select add text on the bottom left corner of the screen. And from here, guys, just simply provide a text over here. Let's say I'm gonna go for tutorial. And now from here, when we tap on the font, as you can see, we should be able to see here multiple fonts. And guys, when you go for the style over here at the second category, you should be able to change the color over here. And you will have here multiple color palette. And after that, just simply select what you prefer, and you can change the size of the text over here as well, and the capacity as well of your text. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And now you could also use the color picker over here on the left side of the screen, and you can select any color from the picture itself. And you can also select the color tab beside the color picker, and you will have here a freedom to choose any color that you prefer. So guys, remember to check the link in the description to try CapCut Pro for free. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. See ya.